Now we're going to talk about Vonage. Vonage is our phone system. Vonage is a tool that we utilize to contact students and or office staff. If you are working remotely, you will download the Vonage Business app, and it looks like this right here on Google Play Store or iTunes. Once you're logged into the Vonage app, you will go in and record your personalized voicemail greeting. You can see here, you're going to select that person in the upper left corner, and it will give you the directions for your personalized greeting. And you'll simply follow those prompts. Voicemail. And now you can say your name, your greeting. If you need any help setting up your voicemail, please let me know. It's encouraging for you to say things like, "I'm sorry, I've missed you. Your call is very important to me. This is Shelley at the Institute of Medical and Business Careers, and I will return your call at my earliest convenience." When you have your Vonage app installed on your phone, then we're going to work through how to transfer a call. When you transfer using the Vonage app, please follow these simple directions. Select Transfer. Then you're going to get a pop-up that is in white, and you're going to put and select Attended Transfer. Type in the extension of the person or the phone number you want to transfer to, and then you wait for that person to pick up. If the person picks up and accepts the call, simply click Transfer Now. If the person does not pick up or does not accept the call, hit the End button, and it will take you back to your main call with the caller on hold. Select Hold and go back to that caller. When you are in Vonage, you can also have it on your computer. And this is what it looks like on your computer screen. I like to keep Vonage up on my computer screen while I'm working because it does allow me to see if I've gotten any text messages that maybe have not been able to connect through Velocify for whatever reason. Maybe a student has opted out of texting in Velocify. It also allows me to see my voicemails, and I currently do not have any voicemails. You can also play your voicemails from here. You can look at how many calls you've got coming in or going out. This is helpful sometimes if you forget to document on someone. You can go back and retrace your steps. When you are connecting a call through Velocify and it's ringing through your phone, you will have a slight delay and then your phone will begin to ring. You can answer that call because it's actually the Vonage system connecting with the Velocify system, and then you are going to be able to connect with a student.